There you go, all sorted. Nice fit as well. It's just the shed's a bit off plumb, not square. So I've got a bit of a gap there. But I'm not bothered about that. That's the best thing I could do. Because I didn't want to get the angles wrong there. There would have been a gap. So I didn't want a gap there. So that's where that's gone. So, but yeah, all the way along there is great. And it's flush up to there. So I'm happy with that because that's the bit you see where you walk in. Hello there, there's me in the mirror. Everybody does that, don't they? So that's me in my old t-shirt, old sweatshirt on. So I've just got to put them blinds down now and close them up. This is his bar area, so that looks good. He's just got to put the his table and chairs out. That's for watching his football matches, I presume. That's his outside seating area. Nice resin floor, so he's just had this put in as well, so that's quite nice. So yeah, it's got a nice back area here. So proper grass, not artificial grass. A nice area there. So yeah, he's got a nice garden here. He's on holiday at the moment. He's I don't know where he is. He's away for 2 weeks anyway, so just give me the key for get it sorted. So I think he'll be happy with that when he comes back. Anyway, I'm signing off now, so just like and subscribe if you like this sort of thing. And thanks for watching. Catch you later.